Hey there! Welcome to Car Clinic. Today, we're talking about car maintenance tips mechanics don't want you to know. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss valuable videos like this one. Tip 1. Check your tire pressure regularly. Tires lose air over time, especially during temperature changes. Underinflated tires not only wear out faster, but also decrease your gas mileage, costing you more at the pump. Overinflation, on the other hand, can make your tires more prone to blowouts. Invest in a small tire pressure gauge. It's cheap and easy to use, and check your tires at least once a month. Properly inflated tires improve handling, extend tire life, and save money in the long run. Tip 2. You don't always need premium fuel. Premium gas is marketed as better for your car, but in reality, most vehicles are designed to run perfectly fine on regular, unleaded fuel. Unless your car's manual specifically states that premium is required, using it is just wasting money. Your engine won't perform any better, and you won't see improvements in mileage or longevity. Switching to regular fuel for a car designed for it can save hundreds of dollars annually. Tip 3. Replace your cabin air filter yourself. Cabin air filters keep the air inside your car fresh and clean by filtering out dust, pollen, and pollutants. Over time, they get clogged and reduce airflow, causing your air conditioning to work harder. Mechanics often charge a premium to replace them, but most filters can be accessed easily, usually behind the glove compartment or under the dashboard. Watch a quick tutorial online, buy a filter for half the cost, and install it in less than 15 minutes. Tip 4. Learn to check and top up your car's fluids. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid costly repairs. Engine oil, brake fluid, coolant, and transmission fluid are the lifeblood of your car. Low levels or dirty fluids can cause major problems over time. Your car's manual provides a clear guide on how to check each fluid. Make it a habit to inspect them once a month and top them off as needed. Tip 5. Rotate your tires every 6 months or 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Tires wear unevenly depending on their position on the car. Front tires tend to wear faster due to steering and braking forces. By rotating your tires regularly, you ensure they wear evenly, which extends their lifespan and keeps your car balanced. Many tire shops offer free rotations if you purchase the tires from them, so take advantage of this service to save money and maintain optimal performance. Tip 6. Clean your battery terminals regularly. Over time, corrosion builds up on the terminals, reducing the battery's efficiency and potentially leaving you stranded with a dead car. A quick DIY fix involves using a mixture of baking soda and water to scrub the terminals with an old toothbrush. Once cleaned, coat the terminals with petroleum jelly to prevent future corrosion. Tip 7. Replace your windshield wipers yourself. Worn-out wiper blades can streak and impair your visibility, especially during heavy rain. Replacing them is an easy job that takes less than 10 minutes. Most replacement wipers come with instructions, and you can find tutorials online tailored to your car model. Doing this yourself not only saves money, but also ensures you're ready for any weather conditions. Tip 8. Use your parking brake every time you park, even on flat surfaces. Many drivers think the parking brake is only for hills, but using it regularly keeps the mechanism in good working order. It also reduces strain on your car's transmission by preventing it from bearing the full weight of the vehicle when parked. Over time, this can save you from expensive transmission repairs and extend its lifespan. Tip 9. Keep a repair and maintenance log. This simple habit is a game changer for staying on top of your car's needs. Record every oil change, tire rotation, filter replacement, and repair. Not only does this help you track maintenance, but it also increases your car's resale value. A well-documented history shows potential buyers that your car has been properly cared for, making it more appealing and potentially increasing its worth. Tip 10. Learn to listen to your car. Strange noises are your car's way of telling you something is wrong. For example, a clicking sound while turning could mean a CV joint issue, while squealing brakes might indicate worn-out brake pads. Pay attention to any unusual sounds and address them early before they turn into costly repairs. Tip 11. Restore cloudy or yellowed headlights. Over time, headlights can become foggy due to UV exposure and dirt, reducing visibility at night. Instead of replacing the entire assembly, use a headlight restoration kit. These kits are affordable and include everything you need to polish and protect your headlights. With just a bit of effort, you'll improve your car's appearance and your safety on the road. Tip 12. Don't ignore the check engine light. While it's tempting to overlook it if the car seems to be running fine, the light could indicate anything from a loose gas cap to a serious engine problem. Investing in an OBD2 scanner allows you to read the error codes yourself and determine the issue before taking it to a mechanic. This knowledge can save you from unnecessary repairs or upsells. Tip 13. Wash your car's undercarriage regularly. This is especially important if you live in an area with snowy winters, as road salt can corrode your car's frame and suspension. A simple rinse with a garden hose or taking your car to a wash with an undercarriage spray can prevent rust from developing and save you from expensive repairs later on. Tip 14. Replace spark plugs as recommended in your owner's manual. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in your engine, and worn ones can cause poor fuel efficiency, misfires, and reduce performance. Replacing them at the right intervals is a straightforward task that can dramatically improve how your car runs. Many auto parts stores even lend you tools for free if you decide to do it yourself. Tip 15. Use a fuel system cleaner periodically. Over time, carbon deposits can build up in your fuel injectors, reducing your engine's performance and fuel economy. Adding a fuel system cleaner to your gas tank every few thousand miles helps dissolve these deposits, keeping your engine running efficiently. Tip 16. Avoid carrying unnecessary weight in your car. Many people use their trunks as storage, but carrying excess weight affects your car's fuel efficiency and puts extra strain on the suspension and brakes. Take a few minutes to clean out your trunk and only carry what you truly need. Your car will thank you with better handling and improved gas mileage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions you have.